Hi everyone, welcome to Home Utilities. We bring the latest inventions and gadgets that make your daily life more easier and enjoyable. You can find the links in the description where you can buy similar products. Before starting the video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you could keep updated with our future videos. Let's start the video. 3-tier kitchen organizer. This 360-degree turnable kitchen rotating organizer is perfect to organize and display all your kitchen items. It provides easy access to all items. Stainless steel bars under trays make it more stable and reliable. The height of the trays can be adjusted according to your needs. Shoe washing machine. Are you tired of cleaning shoes by hand? Then shoe cleaning brush extension may help you. The brush design makes it convenient to install and remove. Tailor-made nylon brush deeply clear the shoe's inner fiber. Kids Mickey Mouse plate. Mickey plate is a lovely form to let your child like the food in the daily life to add more fun. It's available in different colors and partition on the plate will not let the things to mix up. Lint collector. This excellent laundry accessory saves you time and effort. Will collect the lint, small fur of pets by floating on top of the water while washing. Dish drying basket. This drying basket helps in draining water from the dishes and dry them fast. Dip tray collects drained water so that kitchen platform will be dry and clean. Floor wiper. This floor wiper dries the floor in one swipe with the rubber attached to it so that there is no risk of falling by skidding. Long handle makes the cleaning easy without bending. Hanging laundry basket. This hanging laundry basket provides storage to clothes for laundry, makes it easy without mess. Window shield. This privacy window shield blocks the view. Apply soap water to the window and gently remove the backing protective sticker from film and trim the extra film. Extendable book holder. It is retractable and can be adjusted as per the number of books that need to be organized. This is a space-saving bookshelf. Green board wall sticker. Simply peel the vinyl board sticker off its paper backing and then stick to a smooth, flat surface. This vinyl sticker is perfect during the pandemic where kids are staying at home. Hope you like this product. Fridge organizer. It is ideal for organizing the contents of your refrigerator neatly. This compact form of storage rack efficiently stores without taking too much space in your refrigerator. Foldable fabric basket. These small cute storage baskets can be easily folded and open up quickly. The waterproof material and moisture resistant inner is easy to clean and keeps the basket in definite shape. Trash bag holder. Trash bag need to be inserted into it in the prescribed format and the holder locks the bag. It is a great use in the kitchen. Makes the carrying out of the garbage easier. Toe socks. Get the no socks look with these low ankle cut socks. The low ankle style is perfect for just any footwear, be it a loafer or sneaker. Lid and spoon rest. The perfect kitchen assistant can ensure no messy cooking. Toothbrush travel organizer. It is an ideal way to keep all brushing needs in one place without forgetting. Adhesive hook strip. It allows securely to stick to smooth surfaces, shower walls and kitchen walls. It can be used for hanging spoons, pots and pans, towels, napkins, keys, etc. Innerwear organizer. It allows you to store your everyday essentials in a neat and organized manner. Drawer organizers offer the ideal storage space to stock a number of items that you often use in your daily life. Wall-mounted cutlery holder. This cutlery holder is a space-saving organizer which holds all your spoons and kitchen accessories at one place on your wall, giving space on the kitchen counter. Kitchen stand. This is a multi-purpose kitchen stand which increases your kitchen space by holding pans, kitchen utensils, supplies and more at one place. Portable induction stove. This portable induction stove is a great companion while traveling outdoors to cook a variety of meals like rice, soup and noodles, etc. Foldable bathtub. Friends, hope you like this video and comment below which product you liked and useful for you. Thank you for watching.